Welcome back to Module 10.3. In this lecture video, I'm going to show y'all the slope for horizontal and vertical lines. So last time we used the slope formula to find what a slope is when we are given 2 points. All right. So what about for horizontal and vertical lines? This is, again, by memory. Remember now, horizontal line back in Module 10.2 always has an equation that says y equal to a number. So there's no variable x, so the y value can be, so the x value can be whatever you want them to be. All right, so remember now, horizontal line look like this. So when we talk about rise over run, the catchphrase for slope, rise over run, horizontal line does not rise, so that will be 0. Horizontal line does run to the right, so 0 rise divided by any units of run. 0 divided by anything is always 0. That's the reason why we simply say horizontal lines always has slope that is 0. All right. So for vertical line, is x equal to a number? No variable y, so the y value can be whatever you want them to be. So when we draw a vertical line does have a rise to it, but it does not have any run. Vertical line does not run to the right at all, so that's a 0. So as you can recall, anything divided by 0 is always undefined, right? Denominator of a fraction can never be 0. So for vertical lines, just remember the slope is always undefined. All right, so let's try these 2 examples real quick. Find 2 points on the line to be graphed. So let's take a look real quick. So 4y plus 4 equal to 0. So when you see you got to graph an equation like this where there's no variable x, okay, you kind of already know this is going to be a horizontal line. Just by memorize this. What we said to memorize up here, what the equation look like. So 4y equal to negative 4, right? Move the positive 4 over. Divide both sides by 4, so y equal to negative 1. So this example wants you to find 2 points on the line. So the homework can ask you to enter 2 points. Once you enter the 2 points, this is another way we can draw a line is by entering points rather than plot them. We can actually enter 2 points, then they will draw me the line. So now you know the y value got to be negative 1. X value can be whatever you want them to be, any real number. So if I just pick 0 and 1, and we enter 0, negative 1, 1, comma, negative 1, the homework should plot the 2 points and then draw the horizontal line for you. So let me show you, let me just do this by hand real quick. 0, negative 1 means I simply going to go to up 1. 1, negative 1, to the right 1, up 1. So here is my horizontal line, okay? That's how it is. That will be y equal to negative 1. Oh, sorry, negative 1. What am I doing? Go down. Horizontal line is going down. I went up instead. 0, negative 1 is go down 1. 1, negative 1 is to the right 1 and down 1. Sorry about that. I thought it was positive 1. All right, determine the slope for the equation above. Enter the answer in the box provided or select undefined. So on the homework, you should have a box right here. So this is a horizontal line, so my slope m is always equal to 0. All right, x plus 2 equal to 0. We got to graph this line. So when you don't see any variable y, then you know this is going to be a vertical line. So let's move the positive 2 over. So my equation will say x equal to negative 2. So when you see x equal to a number, it's going to be a vertical line. All right. So the x value is already locked in at negative 2. The y value can be any number we want. So let me do a 4 and negative 4. How about that? Pick anything you want. All right, so after you enter these 2 points, they should draw the vertical line for you. So let me go ahead and plot these 2 points real quick. So let's see, negative 2, 4, starting from the origin. I didn't mean to do that. Darn it. Let me go ahead and do that. Negative 2, 4. So starting from the origin, negative 2 to the right 2, up 4. That'll be about right here. All right. So let's see, negative 2, negative 4 to the left 2 and down 4. That will be about right here. All right. So the 2 points on top of one another, connect them with the line. So we got ourselves a vertical line. There you go. So the slope for vertical line is always going to be undefined. Okay, that's something we memorize. Alrighty, so just a quick video on the slope of horizontal and vertical line. All right, that will conclude this video. Thank you for watching.